Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. Changes on the way into Monday as our very warm air breaks down into thunderstorms. We've got a cold front pushing its way northeastwards across Scotland, and that will increasingly develop these thundery downpours as the day goes on. Here's the sequence then through the daytime. Already some bursts of rain across southern Scotland and northern England, locally Wales too, early in the morning. Those that may well turn thundery across the Lake District, North Pennines into the southern uplands through the morning hours into the middle of the day. For the Highlands, it will be more toward late morning, middle of the day onwards, where heavy and thundery downpours become increasingly widespread, moving up from the south, extending through the central western Highlands, getting towards the south of the Cairngorms as well, through into the afternoon. A zone of those storms could well just push all the way across the sky. Further north, though, escaping somewhat drier all the way through the daytime. Low cloud covering eastern hills on a rather humid southeasterly flow will persist most of the day. Things will start to turn fresher from the southwest as that front clears with time. Gusty winds across Wales as well, a scattering of showers here, but some brighter spells for England and Wales through the afternoon. Thunderstorms clearing further northeastwards from the Pennines during the afternoon. We've got low pressure that's centred out to the west of Ireland, rotating slowly, but a portion of that will then develop and move further eastwards as we head onwards into Tuesday, with heavy rain developing through the night into West Wales, and that will set in through into the early morning hours, so several hours of heavy or torrential rain across Wales, pivoting up into the Lake District and the Pennines as well as this area of low pressure pulls eastwards. So a pretty wet picture across England and Wales. Scotland not doing too bad with just some patchy rain locally, but the risk of one or two heavier showers across central parts of the Highlands, maybe the far north as well, on Tuesday afternoon. The southern uplands could just catch some of those heavy bursts of rain from northern England as well. That system tending to clear eastwards across England and Wales. An improving afternoon, but still the risk of some rain across the Pennines at least, and it might just hang on until late in this part of the world. All of that will be moving away though, and onwards into Wednesday looks a much more promising prospect for slack high pressure and a generally dry and bright day. Some sunshine, some well-broken cloud, could be some misty low cloud around some of the coastal hills in Scotland. The high tops could just poke out above this then for a while at least. One or two local showers could just pop up by Wednesday afternoon, but very isolated, most places likely to stay dry with light winds and pleasant temperatures by this time. A front toward the southwest of Wales could just start to push in later with the risk of some rain getting in to southwestern hills here. Later in the week is quite a complicated picture as we've got a slack pressure pattern really, and it's lower pressure that's never too far away. So the general message for Thursday, Friday and onwards into the weekend is going to be the risk of some showers and thundery downpours in places, but not everywhere will catch these. Some places will escape drier at times. I think the focus for the greatest risk of downpours next weekend could well be across England and Wales, as low pressure seems to be centred a bit further southwards with fewer showers across Scotland at this stage. But we'll keep an eye on those details. Tuesday's planning outlook will have more on that. All your local details, as always, for 3 days ahead can be found on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.